Hello everyone. The lesson for today is the tense. The word tense is taken from the Latin word tempus, which means time. Tense is a part of a verb. It helps us to know when the verb or the action has been done. Tenses are of three types. The first one is the present tense, which means the action that is going on now. The second one is the past tense, which means the action that has already been done. And the third one is the future tense, which means the action that is going to take place or start soon. Now, let's learn more about these three types of tenses. Under the present tense, we have four kinds. The first one is the simple present. Simple present is used for daily routine, habit, or fact. In simple present, the verb shows what the subject has done, but it does not say whether the action is completed or not. The rule for simple present is add s or es to the main verb. Example, she sings well. They sing well. Look at the two verbs sings and sing here. In the first verb, s is added but not in the second verb. We add s in the first verb because the subject she is singular, while in the second verb s is not added because the subject they is plural. We must remember that when we put s or es to a verb, then the verb is in the singular form. The second one under the present tense is the present continuous. Present continuous is used to show an action happening now or the action is going on, still going on. And the rule is am plus ing to the main verb. Is and am is for singular subject and are is for the plural subject. Example, they are playing cricket now. Since the subject they is plural, here the helping verb are is used and ing is added to the verb play. When we add ing to a verb, it shows that the action is going on. It is not yet over. The third one under the present tense is the present perfect. We use present perfect to show that the action is finished at the time of speaking. The rule is has or have plus past participle, which is the third form of the verb. Has is for singular subject and have is for the plural subject. Example, she has written the letter. The last one under the present tense is the present perfect continuous. We use present perfect continuous to show an action that is in progress or going on and not completed at that moment. That means at the time of speaking, the action was still going on. Example, we have been painting the room. The verb have been painting shows that the painting is not over yet. It is still going on. Now, let's go to the second tense, which is the past tense. Under the past tense, we have four types again. The first one is the simple past. We use simple past to show that the action has completed in the past. And the rule is we have to use only the second form of the verb, which is the past tense for both singular and plural subject. Example, she broke the window. The second one under the past tense is the past continuous. We use past continuous to show an action going on for some time in the past. And the rule is was or were plus ing to the main verb. Was is for singular subject, were is for the plural subject. Example, mother was cooking food. Here, the verb was cooking shows that she was still cooking at the time of speaking. The third one is past perfect. We use past perfect to show an action that has completed before a certain moment in the past. The rule is had plus past participle, which is the third form of your verb. Example, he had taken your book. Here, the verb had taken shows that the action has already been done. The last one under the past tense is the past perfect continuous. We use past perfect continuous to show the action that started before in the past was continuing up to that time, which means at the time of speaking. And the rule is had plus been plus ing to the main verb. Example, I had been writing my homework when he came. Here, the verb had been writing shows that the action was still going on. Now, the last one, which is the future tense. Future tense also we have four types. The first one is the simple future. We use simple future for facts in the future or to make decision before speaking. Simple future is used to show an action that is going to start soon. And the rule is will or shall plus first form of the verb, which is the present tense. Example, they will go to school. Here the verb will go shows that the decision of going to school has already been made. The second one is the future continuous. Future continuous is used to show an action that will be going on for some time in the future. And the rule is will or shall plus be plus ing to the main verb. Example, he will be coming home next week. The verb here will be coming. Here it shows that he is expected to reach home by next week. The third one, future perfect. We use future perfect to show that the action will be completed soon in the future time. And the rule is will or shall plus have plus past participle, which is the third form. Example, you will have finished the work tomorrow, which means the work will be finished by him by tomorrow. And the last one under the future tense is the future perfect continuous. We use future perfect continuous to show an action going on for some time will end soon in the future. Rule is will or shall plus have plus been plus ing to the main verb. Example, she will have been living there for 2 years. Here, will have been living shows that if she continues living in the same place, then it will be for 2 years living there again. Well, that brings us to the end of our lesson. Hope it helped you understand the tense better. Thank you and have a nice day.